Let's close this issue once and for all, because to be honest, I'm tired of this topic, and the news seems to be pushing this all over. I mean, since Wednesday. In fact, since Monday, we've been eating this news, and I'm tired of it. So let's close this once and for all. DA ministers are actually saying that there's no issue with farmers. If the DA is saying this, the case is closed. Even News 24 reports that Agriculture Minister John Steenhuisen believes that the Afrikaner refugees who arrived in the US this week made a bad choice, but his priority and responsibility will be to farmers choosing to remain in the country. Even the Democratic Minister of Public Works and Infrastructure, Dean McPherson, who has the most unlikable face I've ever seen, has defended ACE's new Expropriation Act, saying it is an improvement on the 1975 iteration of such legislation. So please, all the journalists from News 24, Eyewitness News, SABC News, ENCA, all the news publications, stop feeding us this story. We are tired. We are putting this to bed. We don't want to talk about this anymore. If any boers want to leave, any farmers want to leave, they can leave. They can leave. We don't care anymore.